Hey everyone, welcome. I have the new IOD Spring Release in my hands, and this is a feature video for some of those products. I'm not using them all, but I will use some of them. But I want to show you what all came. So we have 4 different stamps. This one is called Pennsylvania Folk. So look at that one. That's kind of fun. I will be using this one. I have a plan for it. There it is on the back side. That's very different, very fun. I can just see coloring in some of these flowers after you stamp them. That will be a fun one. This is called Adornment, and this is all of your trims that you can stamp on. They show a few on the dressers. They definitely look 3D. They got the shading on these just perfect so that when you stamp it, it looks 3D, but it's only one. This is called Reverie, which is an angel at the top. There is a vase down here with some flowers in it. This is a 2-sheeter. So there is 2 angels that face the opposite way. So you can put them on the top, whichever way it faces, and then that vase of flowers, and then a whole bunch of swirly stamps that will come in really handy. This is rural scenes. That's a hard word to say. Anybody want to say that word? So this has got all kinds of different scenes on it. And what the plan is you can make your own scene and have some of those fun stamped images on your products. Those were the 4 stamps. There's 2 inlays. Inlays are becoming my favorite. And these are fantastic. This is Trumpel L'Oreal Blue. Trumpel L'Oreal Blue. Look at that. All of that is in there, right there. There are 4 sheets, and they have 2 of these big images right here in the packet, and then a whole bunch of scrolly images. These go straight across 2 sheets, so you can put them right across the dresser front or whatever else you have that's that long. They are fantastic. And then the same in the brown tones. So 4 sheets, exact same thing in the brown tones. One is L'Oreal, and one is blue. So those are the 2 paint inlays. We'll be using one of them. Those are my jam. Then we have 3 molds. Daintily Flourish. Look at all of that squirrel going on. Squirrel. Look at all of those swirls going on. Them are fantastic. I probably am not going to have time to edit this video, so you're going to get all my bloopers. Sorry about that. And then this one is Juliet. This is a rose. And the crazy part about this is this entire mold is connected. This is one solid design if you want it to be. You can break it apart and only mold certain pieces of it, but that is one full mold if you wanted it to be. That's crazy. I can't wait to see that. I can just see, like if you have a garden trellis or something and you want to cover it in those roses and rust that, it would be like cast iron that's rusted, or wrought iron that's all rusted. That's what I have in mind for that one. And then we have Primitive. We're going to use this one also. It's got these sweet little bunnies down here and a whole bunch of flowers and leaves. That is really sweet. This one I'm very excited about. I have a project that you're going to see in one of my thrift hauls where we're going to use that. There's also some transfers that are coming that I do not have my hands on. You will be able to pre-order today the transfers. You will be able to order any of these products that I just showed you, and they will be shipped right to your door right away. The transfers will be here in a few weeks. They're not even really sure about the time. So when you order, you have to split your orders. Do not put transfers with your orders, or I will have to not hold your order until the transfers come. So if you want your orders to ship on time and right away, order the molds, the inlays, the stamps. You can order all of those and any of my other products, and they will ship right away. If you want the transfers, do that in a separate order because those are going to be held until they get here. If you combine them, I'll have to hold your whole order. So that's all I have, and now I want to get right straight on to the video. I'll see you at the end. Here's the thrift haul that I got on Monday to use the new IOD products on. There's an old toolbox and some old signs, cutting boards, a box, and then I got this really cool tall shelf that's got a flip-out door, which is going to look perfect with some of these IOD products. So I do not have time to film this video. It was only 2 days that I had my products here, and I also have a lot of other stuff going on in these 2 days. So I will do another video and show you everything. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy painting.